Hey folks, Pullerbear guy here. First off, in this video, on the left hand side we have Sierra, that's my daughter, and in the background that's Ryan, that's my son, and I'm on the right hand side. And this is Tuesday, August 20th. Now, I have the ship list for August 21st. So this is the Pullerbear ship list. You want to see if you're on the ship list? Listen up. Now, the captioning on here is not my responsibility. It's interpreting what I'm saying. I didn't do all the spelling. So, none of those mistakes are mine. Anyway, here we go. Pro XL 321, Cameron, Wisconsin. Pro XL 321, Owasso, Oklahoma. Pro XL 321, Anchorage, Alaska. Pro XL, St. George, Utah. Cub XL, Victoria, British Columbia. Pro XL 321, Hewitt, New Jersey. Pro XL 321, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Grip XL, Decidro Woolley, Washington. Have fun with that one, captioning. Pro XL, Ames, Iowa. Grip XL 21, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Pro XL 321 to Eagan, Minnesota. Pro XL 321 to Lake Villa, Illinois. Pro XL 321 to Chautauqua, Wisconsin. Cub XL to Seal Beach, California. Pro XL 321. Oh boy, I'm going to spell this one. It's in Ontario. Gananoque. Pro XL 321, Northport, Alabama. Cub XL, Canby, Indiana. Pro XL, and I'm going to spell this one too, and it's in Mississippi. Kosiusko. And Pro XL 321, Reddington, Connecticut. Pro XL 321 to Versailles, Kentucky. And the last one, Cub XL to Waukesha, Wisconsin. That's my bad. The spelling on that one will be my fault. Anyway, that is the ship list for your Pullerbears for August 21st, 2024. Have yourself a good rest of your day, and we will see you tomorrow about the same time. Peace out.